Becoming rich or successful is not always a matter of luck. You never sleep poor and wake up rich. And this means one never becomes rich by magic. The fact is that everyone believes that there are principles that one must follow to become educationally successful. If that is the case, which I believe it is, then I want you to know that there are principles for becoming rich in life. There are principles about money which you must know if you aim to be rich in life. Most people are rich because they understand these very principles that govern money. The amount of money you earn from your job or your business doesn't really matter when growing wealth for your financial freedom. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 7 money mistakes you must avoid on your way to becoming rich. Stay tuned for a bonus.
Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe in order to continue to receive more educative and informative videos like this.
Number 1. Depending on one income source. The number 1 mistake we make about money is feeling comfortable or being comfortable about one income source. If you really want to reach your financial freedom, it will be better for you to get a side job apart from your main job. Use your free time like holidays to take up new jobs. You could also use your weekends to find new jobs to make more money. In this era of internet and technology, you could work from the home. Just dedicate some few hours to learn skills that are demandable to earn extra income for financial freedom, and becoming a freelancer is not a bad idea. Money mistake number 2. Borrowing to impress. As one said, if you buy the things you don't need, soon you will sell the items you need. Let's know the difference between wants and needs. We know we all have to eat, that's a need. And the fact is, we must eat to live. Never spend too much money on junky foods. Those are just wants. Is it compulsory to own an iPhone if you don't have the means? No. There are other brands you can purchase. Those are the difference between needs and wants. You don't have to spend too much on your wedding to impress others. After all, you and your spouse enjoy or suffer the impacts or the aftermath of the wedding. The number 3 money mistake we make is saving to save. It is good to save, and I highly recommend the habit of saving. However, if you are like me who wants to be rich in the future, you wouldn't want to just save for saving's sake. You should have a reason and a plan for making the savings. You don't become rich by just saving your money with a bank, or it just increases at a little rate. Always have a goal and a plan for savings for your financial freedom. Number 4, not having a financial budget plan. Have you ever sat down to draw your financial goal for a year, for a month, for a week, or for a day? The average person doesn't take his or her financial budgets or goal so seriously. Having a financial budget plan for a year will help you to identify income sources that will make you reach your financial goal. It will make you realize where your income are coming from, which expenses need to be cut down or completely eliminated from your budgets. A budget plan will help you identify the very assets that are making more money for you. If you're not a fan of making or drawing your budget for a year or a specific time, please, this is your opportunity to reconsider the habit of having a financial plan for your financial freedom. Money mistake number 5. Living beyond your means. A lot of people have the habit of spending what they don't have. As someone once advised that before you spend, earn. If you are like myself who wants to become a billionaire in the future, you must find ways to earn more money in order to spend on your way to your financial freedom. Ensure that you don't spend the money that you don't have before earning it. For how long are you going to live your life borrowing to live? It is better for you to cut the coat according to your size. If you don't have the means to your ends, it will be better for you to find the means to meet your ends. Number 6. Avoid not investing. On your way to your financial freedom, ensure that you invest. Avoid this very big mistake at all costs, by all means. And the very best investment is to invest in yourself. Be financially educated, attend seminars, webinars, conferences, and create networks. Don't forget to invest in yourself by having a mentor or mentors to learn from them. Don't only save to save. You have to put your money to work. Find out about businesses that are doing best on the stock market and invest in businesses of your choice. Get to sleep while your money works for you. Money mistake number 7. Buying luxury first. Because we live to impress others in this world, we tend to buy the luxury first as soon as we have few dollars on ourselves. And what this means is that you are rather enriching the manufacturers of these luxury items instead of investing those monies for great returns. On your way to becoming rich, you have to deal with the habit of buying the latest items such as houses, automobiles, electronics, etc. Gates, as we see today, he didn't start buying the luxurious items he's possessing now. He made a lot of sacrifices. By deferring gratuity, he knew what he needed to do to get what he wanted. Avoid the money mistake of living a luxurious life when you don't need to. Remember, the goal is to have a financial freedom. Thank you for staying with us, and as promised, this is your bonus, financial education. If you really want to be rich or stay financially freedom, you will have to first educate yourself financially. If you want to be an accountant in the future, what do? You study accounting at the tertiary level. If you want to be a nurse, you study nursing. If you want to be a lawyer, same, you study law at the law school. My point is, if you want to be financially freedom for the rest of your life, you will have to learn how to become one. Read books, articles, blogs, etc. on personal finance. Also take parts in online financial courses. Learn new skills that are highly in demand. These are the 7 money mistakes we believe if you are able to avoid, you will get on your way to becoming financially freedom for the rest of your life. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share with others and subscribe. We appreciate you.